If you're planning a door installation in Knoxville, one of the most important decisions you'll make is choosing the right material. The door you select impacts your home's security, energy efficiency, appearance, and even its resale value. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming, but understanding the pros and cons of the most common materials can help you make the best choice for your needs and budget. Wood doors. Wood has long been a favorite for homeowners thanks to its classic look and natural warmth. Solid wood doors offer a high-end appearance and a satisfying, sturdy feel. They can be stained or painted in nearly any color, making them very versatile. However, wood doors do require maintenance. Knoxville's changing weather, from hot humid summers to chilly winters, can cause wood to swell, warp, or crack over time if not properly maintained. If you love the timeless look of wood, be prepared for regular sealing or painting to keep it in top condition. Steel doors. Steel doors are another popular choice, especially if security is a top priority. They're strong, durable, and often more affordable than wood. Most steel doors come with an insulated core, which can help with energy efficiency. Steel resists warping and cracking, making it a solid choice for Knoxville's variable climate. However, steel can dent or scratch, and if those areas are not properly treated, rust can develop. With good care, though, steel doors can last many years while giving you peace of mind. Fiberglass doors. If you're looking for a low-maintenance option that still looks great, fiberglass could be the way to go. Fiberglass doors can be designed to mimic wood grain, giving you the look of wood without the same upkeep. They resist dents, scratches, and warping, and they're highly energy efficient thanks to their insulated cores. Fiberglass doors perform well in Knoxville's climate and require little more than occasional cleaning to stay looking new. This makes them a smart option for busy homeowners who want durability without a lot of fuss. Aluminum doors. Aluminum doors are lightweight, rust-resistant, and often used in modern or contemporary home designs. They are typically more common for storm doors or patio doors rather than main entry doors, but some homeowners still prefer them for their sleek style. Aluminum doors can dent, and they generally do not provide the same level of security as steel or wood. However, they are low maintenance and hold up well in Knoxville's humidity and seasonal changes. Glass doors. For those who want to bring in natural light, doors with glass inserts or full glass panels are a great option. Whether you choose sliding glass patio doors or decorative glass panels in your front entry door, they can brighten your home and add style. In Knoxville, you'll want to make sure any glass doors are double or triple paned and have proper weather stripping to maintain energy efficiency and security. Choosing the best door for your home. When selecting a door material, think about what matters most to you. Is it appearance? Security? Low maintenance? Energy efficiency? Your answers will help narrow down your options. Also, don't forget to consider your neighborhood's style and your home's architectural details. A modern aluminum door might look out of place on a historic craftsman, while a traditional wood door might perfectly complement it. Finally, work with a trusted Knoxville door installation professional who can guide you through the process. They'll help you measure, choose hardware, and install your door correctly so you get the best performance and longevity. The right door can boost your curb appeal, improve security, and make your home more comfortable year-round. With a thoughtful approach to materials, you'll enjoy a beautiful, functional entryway for years to come.